Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. Today is 31st March 2021. Welcome back to our online class. Listen, production of food from animals last week, isn't it? Now we'll start production of food from plants, from animals. How animals help us in making the food. Which manure is better? Let us compare chemical or natural fertilizers. Which manure is beneficial? What do you think? Just see the tabular column. 5 points are there. Okay. It will be clear if you learn in this tabular column. Note down in your classworks. I'm telling you all again and again. It may come in exam. Write down in this part and question answers in your classwork books and send me the picture. Okay. English or bio. First one, chemical fertilizers. They are made of inorganic salts, whereas natural fertilizers, they are made of decomposition of plants and animals' organic waste. Okay, the second point, chemical fertilizers are prepared in factories, whereas natural fertilizers are prepared in open places. Chemical fertilizers, third point, humus is not deposited in soil. Natural fertilizers, third point, deposits of humus layer is found in soil. HUMUS. Whereas chemical fertilizers, the fourth point, more amount of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are deposited in the soil. Whereas the natural fertilizers, there is less amount of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium deposited in the soil. Understood? Fifth point in chemical fertilizer, decrease the health of the soil, whereas natural fertilizer increases soil health. Got it? Which is important, which is beneficial, useful, you know it now. What happened? How we get plant food from the animals? Let's see. Cattle rearing means what? People living in rural area, village areas used to domesticate people like cow, buffalo, bullocks, goats. They keep it in their homes. They give them food. They grow them big. They take out their milk, isn't it? Cut them. Goat we take in Bakrid from them. Sheep. Okay. Hens we take them for eggs. Pigs, etc. Supply of nutritious food. Accommodation clear, it should be neat for them, hygienic shelter for animals, time to time they should be given vaccines, food, proper environment, even they are given, the buffaloes are not take bath also in the rivers, I hope you have seen. A very important issue in animal husbandry. Generally villagers send this, okay, cattle rearing, they in open days they take the cattle and move around. Where do people rear their cattle in your villages? Have a talk with them and collect information from the village people if any cousins are. Next is the milk production which we get from animals, isn't it? See the milk production chart. Highest is in Israel. Then comes USA, then Japan. Our India is low, backward only in this also. Milk production. Our government treats producing milk as an industry. We get milk from cattle, isn't it? See, the yellow part is a buffalo. The orange part, cow's milk. Blue part, very little donkey, camel, goat, sheep and goat part. Okay, the graph part is given for us to understand, pie diagram. I have seen these graphs and all in maths, isn't it? The name of the country is not visible for discussion. Among cows, traditional species give 2 to 5 liters of milk every. Out of milk produced in our country, 60% is used to prepare cheese, kova, ghee, curd, milk powder and other milk products. There are a number of dairy farms in our state. The milk in dairy farm is collected from household and pasteurized. Milk is preserved in pockets and transported. You might have studied about HTST method. Okay. The private and government milk collecting and chilling centers in our state. See the process? Chilling center, this is big factories of milk. Uttar Pradesh is the highest milk producing state in India. Our state is taking so many steps to produce the milk in higher quantity. A few days back we had a FSSAI test. We did pasteurization topic also, isn't it? The milk is boiled to a certain temperature to kill all the microorganisms and the milk becomes healthy to drink. The dry plant stalk are beaten on the hard surface to remove the grains. Threshing is also done with the help of bullocks. See the man standing there and doing the threshing with trample of the grains. We get rice, wheat grains there. Winnowing is what, children? See, this is a machine of winnowing. Modern harvester. What he is doing in winnowing, the grains are poured out. Manual winnower is used by using chatta and fan or winnowing machine. In winnowing, the grains are poured out of a basket or tray held high up. He's standing so tall, isn't it, on the barrel and throwing the seeds. The wind blows off the chaff, dust, and lighter seeds aside, while the heavy grains collect below. Understood? Which are fat, solid, like heavy weight grains are in that container only. Whatever he's doing, modern harvesting machines are harvester. Light particles come down with the air, wind. Nowadays, it is common practice to harvest a crop with the help of a harvester. After collection of seeds, farmers separate the grain and chaff by the method called winnowing. From this, they use a. In some villages, farmers harvest their crops on the road instead of using a bullock. See, it is a dangerous practice. Sometimes accident may occur. A woman is doing harvesting on the road only, isn't it? They don't have so much land or so much time. It will be dangerous because you can see in the picture the lorries are going and all. They'll slip away with this. Seeds are all on the way. Where do farmers harvest the crops in your village? Is harvesting same for all crops? Harvesting is an important task in agriculture. Farmers generally use traditional. And now we'll see the homework for today. Give two differences of chemical fertilizers and natural fertilizers. Second question, what is threshing, and explain winnowing. Thank you. Understood? Send the homework by 5:30 or 6 in the evening. Thank you. See you, children. Assalamu alaikum.